This week, Rita asks, Anna, I'm such a wimp and laser seems painful. How much does it hurt? Rita, depending on the treatment that you get here at Synergy, there can sometimes be slight uncomfortableness and heat sensation in the skin. This can last for a couple of hours and sometimes even a day or two. We will use some sort of numbing agent, and we now have ProKnox that you can use. This is something that you inhale in, and it helps remove the sensation of pain for about 3 minutes. So you inhale it as often as you need to, and when you're done with your treatment, there's no residual effects, so you can drive home and go on your way with no downtime.